Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Goshen, local and long-distance movers near me. More than 50 miles from your present location is required for long-distance migration. To ensure the safety of your belongings, we put in place comprehensive insurance coverage. Long-distance relocations are no problem since we work well with the relevant authorities. Employees at our company have received significant education. In addition, our movers are careful when it comes to the safety of your valuables. They meticulously organize your belongings before loading them onto our trucks. Our moving trucks are the best in the business, and we transport a wide range of home and office items in these vehicles. To ensure the safety of your belongings, we ensure that they are evenly arranged and balanced. Also, all of our drivers hold long-distance moving permits from both the state and federal authorities, and your things will arrive in excellent condition and on time. Relocating requires locally the expertise of a moving company. Residents choose us above our competitors because of our top-notch customer service. Finding a reputable moving company in a crowded city like Goshen may be a real challenge. We have a team of movers ready to move your belongings as swiftly as possible. Our staff promptly addresses requests for more information, and it's pretty affordable to use our local relocation services. You can book our local relocation services at $30 to $40 per hour, and we will quickly deliver. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Goshen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.